Here in South Yorkshire, in the north of England, the AMRC, globally connected, has made a huge impact to manufacturing and to the wider battle to increase productivity, to help close that north-south divide. Without assets like this, working not just with our largest businesses like Boeing, like Siemens, but with SMEs across the regions, we wouldn't have the impact we've been able to make. And what's really exciting to me is that in North Wales, in Lancashire, as well as here in South Yorkshire, you see incredible impact on the ground from what the AMRC has been able to achieve. And so that isn't just about the industrial advances, about what's been done to enable manufacturing to be digitalised, to change the way that machining and tools operate in factories, but fundamentally re-engineering our society and our economy around attracting investment to this part of the country. And here in South Yorkshire, the Advanced Manufacturing Park itself, where I'm stood right now, all that's come on the back of that for local people, the training centre, the arrival of the nuclear MRC, all of these key steps have unlocked jobs and growth for the north of England, but most importantly, made a huge difference here on the site of Orgreave, a genuine revolution in our economy, not just in the future of manufacturing.